From the beginning of human history, the moon has inspired countless artists, writers and musicians. In its leading role in so many cultural works, it serves as a sort of a mirror, reflecting our beliefs and understanding of the world. The Museum of the Moon, installed in the Parish Church, the first Baroque church in Transylvania, is the work of the British installation artist Cluj-Napoca. It features an internally lit, inflatable model of the moon with detailed imagery of its surface. The meaning and interpretation of the display change according to the city or country where the exhibit is showing, adaptations based on research carried out by the artist itself at each location of the artwork. It's just one of the dazzling lightworks on display in Lights On. Launched as a creativity contest for designers, architects and engineers with the purpose of gathering new and artistic ways of illuminating cities during the holiday season, the Lights On project of Kolozsvár, Cluj has become much more than that, a cultural gathering place for people open to new ideas.
We wanted to show people that light can be used as a vector of sending artistic messages out to the public. So we invited foreign artists and local artists to go crazy with light artworks, and we tried to have them installed in public spaces in order for people to discover that light can be much more. Cluj is a place of innovation, and if you'd come to Cluj, you would feel like the spirit of it. It's always changing. At first, people didn't quite understood what we were trying to do. But now everyone's really just passionate about them. Everyone travels from one spot to the other. We had people from other cities in Romania travel to Cluj just to see the light artworks.
All 13 artworks, connected through guided tours conducted free of charge each evening, have a message for the viewer. One of them, created by the Russian artist Leonid Tishkov, features a tree of light that draws its fertility from people. Light feeds its leaves only when people actively step into the artwork and offer their time and energy to the tree to help it come to life.